The battlefield has always been a place of chaos, courage, and human decisions. But what happens when humans are no longer the ones in control? Imagine a war where soldiers are not just flesh and blood, but code. Machines that don't sleep, don't hesitate, and don't feel fear. This is not the future anymore. It's already beginning. Drones now patrol the skies, small, fast, and deadly. Some cost less than a car, yet can destroy machines worth millions. They don't need rest. They don't need training camps. They learn. Every mission makes them smarter. On the ground, robotic units move with precision. No panic, no confusion. While human soldiers rely on instinct and emotion, AI relies on data. Thousands of calculations per second. Who fires first? Who survives longer? The difference is milliseconds. But war is not just about weapons, it's about decisions. And this is where things begin to change. AI systems can analyze entire battlefields in seconds. Satellite data, drone feeds, troop movements, all processed instantly. What would take humans hours, AI does in real time. It can predict enemy movement before it happens. It can suggest strategies no human mind could calculate fast enough. If you are liking this kind of video, do like, share, and subscribe. But there's a problem. Machines don't understand morality. They don't question orders. They don't hesitate when a decision could cost lives. If an AI makes a mistake, who is responsible? The programmer, the commander, or the machine itself? Now imagine a battlefield where both sides use AI. Drones versus drones. Algorithms versus algorithms. Faster decisions, faster destruction. Humans may not even keep up. And then comes cyberwarfare. No explosions, no bullets, just code. AI systems attacking power grids, communication networks, financial systems. A war where entire cities can be shut down, without a single shot fired. But the battlefield doesn't stop on land or in the sky. It expands into space. Satellites become targets. AI-controlled defense systems track and intercept threats in milliseconds. The war becomes global, even beyond Earth. But humans still have something AI does not: emotion, creativity, unpredictability. A human can make a decision that doesn't follow logic, and sometimes that changes everything. However, AI is evolving. It is beginning to simulate human behavior, learning patterns, mimicking decisions, blurring the line between human intuition and machine calculation. And that makes the battlefield even more uncertain. Now imagine autonomous weapons making decisions without human approval. Identifying targets, choosing when to strike, executing missions on their own. The speed is unmatched. But so is the risk. So the question is not, will AI replace humans in war? But how much control are we willing to give up? Because once machines start making decisions on their own, stopping them may not be easy. The future battlefield may not be louder, but it will be faster, smarter, and far more dangerous. And somewhere in that battlefield, humans won't just be fighting enemies, they may be fighting their own creations. This is not just a war of weapons, it's a war of intelligence, human versus artificial. And the outcome? We don't know yet, because this war hasn't fully begun. But its foundations are already being built, right now, in labs, in code, in silence. And when it finally arrives, it won't ask for permission. The battlefield of the future will not just test strength, it will test control. And the biggest question of all, when the machines are ready, will humans still be in charge?